Good afternoon, Mr. Manoj Pachwa, Mr. Suresh Rajtarai, and esteemed members of the AGNP team. It is indeed a moment of pride and accomplishment as we stand here to mark the collaborative efforts for QAM, that is, the Quality Asset Mapping Solution. This milestone reflects the culmination of months of collaboration, innovation, and a shared vision to deliver an in parallel solution that will transform the way AGNP manages its assets and projects. Airdit is one of the few SAP partners globally that has taken the initiative to deliver an end to end business case solution for a customer in the oil and gas sector using SAP BTP. This places us in a unique position as we have not only embraced the advanced capabilities of SAP BTP but have also customized it to meet the specific needs of AG&P Pratham. The QAM solution is an integrated platform designed to streamline and enhance various aspects of asset management and project tracking, inventory management, and user management within AG&P. It is built on a modular architecture that allows flexibility and scalability, ensuring that the solution can grow and evolve with your business. Its key functions and functionalities include seamlessly manage the life cycle of your assets, ensuring optimal usage and maintenance, that is, the asset management, project tracking, real-time updates on MDPE and steel projects with Google Maps integration for local tracking, inventory management, effortlessly commission and decommission assets, keeping your inventory accurate and up to date. User management includes field users to work on the go with the mobile app, while office users monitor and coordinate via the SAP Fiori web apps. The technical backbone of the QAM solution is built using SAP BTP CAPM for the backend, providing a robust and scalable architecture. The web frontend is designed with SAP Fiori, ensuring a user-friendly interface that enhances productivity and usability. On the mobile front, we have used Xamarin, providing flexibility and a seamless experience for field users. Additionally, the solution leverages a non-relational MongoDB, offering flexibility in data handling and cost-effective scalability. Looking ahead, we have an exciting roadmap planned for the QAM solution. We are working on incorporating 3D visualization, which will bring new dimension to project and asset management. Allowing for a more intuitive and detailed analysis, we are also exploring AI bots and computer vision technologies powered by SAP BTP and AI Core, which will further enhance automation and decision-making capabilities within the platform. In the end, the QAM solution is not just a tool, but a strategic asset that will provide AG&P to operate more efficiently, make informed decisions, and maintain the highest standards of quality in asset management. We are proud to have partnered with you on this journey and are confident that the QAM solution will contribute significantly to AG&P's ongoing success. Thank you, and I look forward to your continued collaboration. Sir, may I ask a few questions? Manoj sir, in the ever-evolving landscape of the oil and gas industry, what are some of the key trends you see impacting project management and asset management?
We are primarily a CGD company, and this CGD company, I'll just give an introduction before getting into it. So we are of a AG&P Pratham. We have two groups, specifically operates in the CGD sector. So one is AG&P Pratham, which mostly operate on the southern part of the India, and the other one is Ting Gas, which operates on the northern part of the India. So both are city gas distribution. Though we have fixed CNG stations for selling the CNG, we also lay pipelines across the India for transporting the natural gas to the households or commercial and industrial sector. So the main point over here, giving this background, is we will be having a lot of linear assets which need to be maintained, managed, and then use the proper HSE norms also to be maintained over there to have a safety and user-friendly environment, not only in our premises but also in the households. So the main aim is to monitor all all these linear assets or the assets which are stationarily fixed are moving mobile. So
Thank you,
if you
sir.
consider any CNG, I mean any CGD sector, so the project management for any of the laying of pipelines or constructing the CNG stations is a crucial one. They has to monitor from the inventory till the commissioning of the equipments or the assets. So that's why we started looking at a digitalized solution which where the technology can help project team to monitor the assets.
Thank you very much, sir. Suresh, sir, what are some of the challenges your team faces in managing large scale pipeline projects, and how do you see technology playing a role in overcoming these problems?
Good afternoon and
Good
thank you.
afternoon.
It's a very good question. As Manoj sir has explained about the two different companies of AG&B, so the northern and southern part has got so much of network has to be developed. So managing this vast network through traditional or conventional method will not help us in keeping the safety standards as well as managing our assets, and also the effective resources has to be implemented to develop all this. So without digitalization of this network and entities, it is going to be a very challenging for any of the CGD entities to manage. So we are very proud that we started from day one in using this digitalization, which help us to keep the safety standards on priority, topmost priority.
Yes, sir. Sir, another question for you. Safety and compliance are critical in the oil and gas industry. How does AG&P ensure that all the projects adhere to the highest level of safety standards, and what role does technology play in this?
Yeah. So again, as we said, the safety is paramount. So the purpose of making this digitalization and even this QAM application.
Yes, sir.
So we ensure each and every day. As I said, that the network is very, very vast actually. If you consider only AGP assets, we are going to develop 1,500 CNG stations and unlike kilometers of pipelines,
Yes,
linear
sir.
assets, and it's going to be 1 crore plus domestic customers. So managing all this with this safety, because you know the product we are handling, it's a very hazardous. So each and every asset we are going to means the each and every single fittings in the pipeline network or the equipment we are going to build will be captured with the high-end accuracy GPS coordinates.
Yes, sir.
So the moment we capture the data, it's going to be available for our entire organization, either through the web application or you can visualize it in your mobile applications. So based on that, we can plan all our safety mechanism to be in place, the regular maintenance, and in case of any emergency. So this to reach the location, because as we say that it is a vast area, so immediately reaching our crew to any incident which happens on the ground. So this system is going to help us in a very, very bigger way.
Thank you very much, sir. Sir, Manoj sir, how is AG&P incorporating sustainability into its operations, particularly in project and asset management, and how do you see this evolving in the future?
See, as Suresh said, we have a lot of linear assets of thousands of kilometers of pipeline. Laying is a part of project, but if you talk about sustainability, the O&M maintenance team also comes into the picture. But here, if you specifically say technology, if you believe the technology, it will take you in a right path.
Yes.
So we are trying to actually mix the technology with the projects and O&M, where project team is going to capture each and every activity performed gets used in that particular linear assets while connecting from one point to the other point is a crucial activity which is done by the projects and will be captured digitally in the system.
Yes.
Now the part of sustainability will comes only when you give the right data to the right person. So the capturing of data is one part, and handovering the same data to the O&M team for maintaining it in a right way, considering the HSE norms also. So there technology definitely plays a role in giving a sustainable and healthy environment of our asset management. And if we include visualization also in this, then it may give a better view to the maintenance team based on we are having a multiple systems, not only the QAM, we also have the SCADA system in place. So every walls connected to the pipelines or assets are triggered in the SCADA. If something happened, and there is a drop in a pressure, so obviously the SCADA system will give the alert to us. But visualizing, if I integrate this QAM with the SCADA, then visualization of the linear asset, where actually the pressure is being dropped, can be seen over here also, because the coordinates are already captured in the QAM and can be integrated with the SCADA system to have a better visualization.
Sir, moving on to some technical questions. Manoj sir, asset management is crucial in the oil and gas industry. How do you see the QAM solution improving the way AG&P manages its assets, particularly in commissioning and decommissioning?
See, as all the CGDs currently in India are following the traditional methodology, they will be having as-is drawings with them, which are kept in a hard copy manner and stored in the local document stores. At one point of time, definitely storage will cause a loss of data, maybe of improper storage or misplacement or something, whatever. Or might be it is stored centrally, but as we operate in a wider range, so if something is really required, it's not actually handy to carry the documents from one place to the other place. So all these constraints are there in the traditional way. So to make it efficiently use of as is and whatever to be digitalized,
Yes.
we are coming up with this QAM, which will definitely help not only the AG&P and ThinGas, but this is going to be a revolutionary in CGD industry. If everyone's requirement is the same, but no one as of now digitalized the way of their solution. So now we are the first one who digitalized the solution and started giving to the project team as of now. But going forward, it is going to be a need for all the CGDs.
Yes. So that is very fascinating to know. With features like 3D visualization planned for the future, what are your expectations for the continued evolution of the QAM solution? How do you think these advancements will benefit AG&P?
Maybe Suresh can answer this.
Okay, sir. Go ahead.
This is about the 3D visualization.
Yes, sir.
Actually, as you know, the technology is evolving as well. So everybody can easily understand and take immediate actions when they view the data in 3D format.
Yes, sir.
So definitely, yes, 3D visualization will be an added advantage, and I hope update will give a better solution for this 3D
Yes, sir.
visualization.
So, project tracking is also a critical component in managing both MDPE and steel projects at AG&P. How do you see the QAM solution enhancing your ability to track, update, and manage these projects?
See, project will be having multiple activities.
Yes.
It's not only service, it also covers the inventory. And mostly our projects are like on the roads, we will be laying the pipes.
Yes, sir.
And storage of our inventory is also a game changer for us. If we store it in a wrong place, it will get damaged.
Yes, sir.
And along with that, we need to capture the activities daily wise so
Yes.
that we can monitor what is exactly going on the ground. And if you take any projects other than the CGD, they are stationary. It will be in one place. But if you go for city gas distribution, we keep laying the pipes across the pan India or across the districts, whatever the GS allocated to the companies. So if you take the linear assets into the consideration, then every company's expectation is to monitor the daily activities going on the site. Because we have multiple contractors, multiple teams, multiple projects going at the same point of time. So monitoring all the projects in one place by the central control room is a bit difficult task without digitalizing it.
Yes, sir.
So if you digitalize it, then you are going to get the benefit out of it, which we are trying to expect from the QAM, to have a daily visualization of inventory consumption also and activities performed on the site by the different contractors.
Okay, sir. Sir, just a few testimonial questions. How has your experience been working with AirDit so far, particularly in the development and implementation of the QAM solution?
Till now, for QAM development, Reddit has given a good support because this is one of the unique product which all the CGDs are expecting, but still no one able to figure it out in an economical way. So we are trying to digitalize it. Once this is done, then maybe our peers may also start expecting the same way they want it.
Yes. Sir, one question for Suresh, sir. Would you recommend the QAM solution to other companies in the oil and gas sector? And if so, what is the best feature based on that which you can recommend it to your peers?
Yeah, definitely yes.
Thank you.
Because the asset management is the key factor for the oil and gas industries. So yes, definitely all the peer, as Manoj sir said,
Yes, sir.
peer industries has to have this system. But right now, based on various reasons, it is not available. And most of the peer companies they are using the conventional method. I definitely recommend they have to try this, because the moment you capture the asset, immediately it will be available on your system, and it will be available for all your stakeholders.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So just one concluding question. How do you envision your partnership with AirDit evolving in the future?
This is just a start of the project, so we have a long way to go, and we are expecting a few more advanced enhancements in this QA.
Yes, sir.
This is specifically deployed on the SAP BTP platform, so which will give us added advantage to integrate with our S4HANA systems in a
Yes.
seamless way
Yes, sir.
for transferring of data, which will give a benefit to all the companies, whoever comes with this combination, to have inventory management in a clear way, day by day visibility of the activities
Ah.
can be traced down. That's
Yes.
one advantage. So considering all these things, we have a long way to go ahead with the edit.
Thank you very much, sir. With this, we come to